Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use sweet mint. First, let's cover the basics of this wonderful herb. Sweet mint is incredibly versatile, perfect for both cooking and adding a fresh scent to your home. For the best flavor, harvest the leaves in the morning. You can use these fresh leaves in a variety of ways, from brewing a soothing tea to garnishing your favorite desserts. It's an easy way to elevate many dishes. Sweet mint shines in the kitchen. Try infusing it into simple syrups to create delicious, refreshing drinks like mojitos or iced tea. Finely chop the fresh leaves and sprinkle them over salads or fruit bowls for a burst of flavor. Mint also pairs surprisingly well with savory dishes, enhancing the taste of roasted lamb, grilled chicken, or even some root vegetables. Experiment to find your favorite combinations. Sweet mint isn't just for eating, it has other great uses too. You can make a wonderful natural air freshener by simmering a handful of mint leaves in water on your stovetop. For longer storage, dry the leaves completely and store them in an airtight container. To keep fresh mint vibrant, place the stems in a glass of water, like a bouquet, either on your counter or in the refrigerator. To ensure a continuous supply, consider growing your own sweet mint. It's best to plant it in a container, as mint can spread quite vigorously in a garden bed. Make sure it receives at least 6 hours of sunlight each day for optimal growth and flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Enjoy the fresh taste and aroma of your homegrown sweet mint in countless ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.